Hi, my name is George, and I'm the CEO of Ferritiva. We're building a smarter way to manage iron health, an over-the-counter solution that helps people track their iron status more consistently and make informed decisions earlier. TiE University has been a helpful part of our journey. The seminars are practical, accessible, and they reinforce a lot of the fundamentals that matter for early-stage startups. How to think about customers, positioning, the realities of building and scaling. The biggest value for us has been the mentorship. My mentor, Zia Rehman, has been instrumental for refining our pitch deck, making targeted industry introductions, and pushing us ahead to learn about what a credible go-to-market strategy would look like. Overall, if you're building a startup and you're looking for structured resources, mentorship, and a founder community, TiE University is worth considering, especially if you want a program that helps you stay focused and keep moving forward.